to Yak's land. The first of those, the blue one, white 100 is the code. Operated by Air Leasing also for its owner, Mark Davey. And there's the second one being flown by its owner, Will Greenwood. Andy Durston was in the other Yak. Wills is the one in the Normandie Yemen squadron markings. And there's yellow 7, the third of the Buchons, the other two following Cliff in that display were in the hands of Dave Ratcliffe and Dave Pulliston. So that completes our look at the Russian front, and in the context of this show at aircraft that were adversaries of RAF aeroplanes at different periods. Well, our next item is on frequency, a few minutes away from us, I believe. That's the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Just while we have a moment, a quick note to say that unfortunately we've lost the two Hawken rods from today's display due to the slightly brisk crosswind. Those were always going to be the aircraft on today's schedule most likely to be badly affected by the crosswind. Very, very dangerous aircraft. The historic aircraft collection, so we won't be seeing them in the air today, sadly. We look forward to many further appearances by them as numbers of biplane fighters and biplane combat aircraft of the 1930s and early 1940s look set to increase still further. One only has to visit the Fighter Collections hangar here on the airfield to realise that with that quite magnificent Fiat CR42 restoration. I cannot wait to see that fly. In the meantime, we await the Royal Air Force